Hey everyone, I am Bryce and today I am going to explain to you how to stream on Twitch and TikTok at the same time. Open OBS and go to the Help menu. Click on Check for Updates to ensure you have the latest version. Once the updated check is complete, reload OBS to apply any updates. Go to the OBS website and navigate to the Download section. Scroll down to find the OBS Multi-Tap 0.5.4 window x4 installer.exe and download it. After downloading the plugin, locate the file and click on it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the plugin on your system. Once the installation is complete, reopen OBS to activate the newly installed plugin. You will notice a new option in the top left corner, indicating the multi-stream output feature. Configure your stream settings for Twitch as you normally would, selecting Twitch as your main streaming platform. Adjust settings such as bitrate, resolution, and stream key according to your preferences. Navigate to the Scene Collection menu in OBS. Click on Duplicate to create a copy of your current scene collection. Enter a name for the duplicated scene collection to differentiate it from the original. After that, we need to get our server key and stream key for it. Next, we get our stream key and paste it here too. Once that's done, you can leave everything else the same. Now you can add YouTube, Twitch, or any other platform. Then you can stream from there. Also, if you want to use the vertical plugin to stream on TikTok, you can do that too. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.